no gold is not enough.
Welcome back to Aislingrose channel. So today we're going to be going through the palette Ring the Alarm from the Jaclyn Hill The Vault palette collection. But you all know how much I've been loving these palettes and they're absolutely gorgeous. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I did this eyeshadow look, then please keep watching. So taking a fluffy brush, you're going to be applying the color Siren to your crease using windshield wiper motions, and then just gradually building that up darker and darker, and eventually you're going to add it to your outer V and on your bottom lash line. Then taking the color Framed, you're going to put that in your crease, outer V, and on your bottom lash line again, just to darken up this look. Then taking a flat brush, you're going to be using the color Bomb Beep. Sorry, you can't really say the full name. It's on the screen though. And I'm going to put that in the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to use it to make a half cut crease. And then taking a small thin brush, I'm going to be applying the color Lolli into my inner corner for a highlight. Then all you have to do is apply mascara and you are ready to go. End of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I did, because this look is really pretty actually. I didn't think I would love it as much as I did. I feel like that's a recurring theme with these palettes, but I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up and hit that notification button. Don't even worry about the subscribe button, because it will not notify you if I upload a new video unless you hit that bell. So go ahead and hit it. And if you have any ideas for my future videos, then please leave me a comment down below. I love you all so much. Thank you for joining my weird little family. I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Sometimes